Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today because we're exploring one of the most powerful and fastest growing Gen AI platforms, Higgsfield.ai. If you've ever dreamed of creating cinematic, ultra-realistic AI videos using just a single text prompt, this platform is made for you. Higgsfield's mission is to be the most creator-friendly platform, giving you professional quality visuals and sound in just a few clicks. And today, we're highlighting their newest update, Veo 3.1. It's a major upgrade over Veo 3, bringing cleaner, studio-quality sound, sharper, more detailed imagery, and better prompt accuracy for the most consistent AI video generation ever. All right, let's jump into what you came for, video generation. Once you're in the dashboard, click on the video button. Here, you'll find the main video generation interface. You can type your prompt for the kind of video you want to create, or upload a reference image for more precision. Let's test out our first cinematic idea. A cinematic close-up of a chubby orange tabby cat relaxing on a sunny beach, gently patting a small smiling shark toy. The waves move softly in the background. Sunlight shimmers on the water, and the cat's fur ripples slightly in the breeze. The camera slowly pans around to capture the serene tropical vibe with warm golden lighting and realistic motion. Now, I'll select the model. This time, of course, I'm going with Google Veo 3.1 because it gives cleaner, studio-quality sound and better prompt control than ever before. Once I set the aspect ratio and choose the video quality, I'll hit Generate. After a short wait, the result is amazing. The beach scene looks so calm and realistic. The cat's fur moves naturally. That's the power of Veo 3.1. Smooth motion, crisp HD rendering, and stunning detail that feels straight out of a real movie. Next, let's create something a bit more dramatic. Here's my second prompt. A stylish woman in pink clothing and sunglasses sits calmly on a couch, reading a newspaper that suddenly catches fire. Flames flicker upward, reflecting in her dark glasses as she remains unfazed. Subtle smoke rises while the camera slowly zooms in, creating a dramatic cinematic look. Background remains still with soft lighting. Once again, I'll use Veo 3.1 to generate this one because its prompt accuracy and cinematic lighting make scenes like this look hyper-realistic. And just like that, the result is stunning. The lighting is soft yet moody. The fire effects look real, and the overall vibe feels like a scene straight out of a high-budget movie trailer. That's another great example of how Veo 3.1 lets you control lighting, movement, and emotion all through a single text prompt. Now let's try something totally epic. This time, we'll go with a cinematic adventure-style prompt. A powerful gorilla dressed in a denim jacket and boots rides a white horse through a dusty desert trail. The horse walks steadily as the wind blows across the dry landscape, moving grass and dust slightly. Again, I'll select Google Veo 3.1 and hit Generate. And wow, the result is jaw-dropping. The gorilla's movement looks natural, the horse animation is smooth, and the camera tracking gives it that movie-like feeling. You can literally feel the dust, the wind, and the cinematic tone, all generated purely from a prompt. This shows how far Higgsfield.ai has come, giving creators tools to make professional cinematic content effortlessly. And that's it for today's video. With Higgsfield.ai and the all-new Veo 3.1, you can create ultra-realistic AI videos with smoother motion, better prompt control, and studio-quality sound. Whether you're making cute, dramatic, or cinematic adventure scenes, this tool makes it easy for anyone to bring their ideas to life. You can also combine Soul ID for enhanced sound design, or mix in Nano Banana and Seedream for more vibrant storytelling results. The link to Higgsfield.ai is in the video description. Go check it out, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.